We all make mistakes, it's human nature. But what if we could design our environments and processes to prevent those mistakes from happening in the first place? That's the ingenious idea behind Poka-Yoke. Poka-Yoke, a Japanese term meaning mistake-proofing or error avoidance, is a powerful set of techniques for designing systems that are inherently resistant to human error. It's about creating an environment where it's difficult, if not impossible, to make a mistake. Imagine a world where products are assembled flawlessly, appointments are never missed, and even the simplest tasks are executed with precision. That's the promise of Poka-Yoke. By anticipating potential errors and implementing clever solutions, we can significantly reduce the occurrence of mistakes and their associated costs. Whether you're running a factory, managing a team, or simply trying to streamline your daily routine, Poka-Yoke offers a practical and effective approach to achieving error-free performance. Poka-Yoke might sound complex, but its applications are widespread and easy to understand. In manufacturing, SIM cards can only be inserted one way, thanks to the notch. This prevents incorrect insertion and damage. In daily life, microwaves have safety interlocks that prevent operation unless the door is closed. In offices, printers sort documents, ensuring confidentiality and reducing chaos. Poka-Yoke enhances efficiency, safety, and user experience across diverse domains. Poka-Yoke employs three primary methods: prevention, detection, and facilitation. Prevention eliminates the possibility of errors. The SIM card design prevents incorrect insertion. Detection identifies errors immediately. A smoke detector alerts at the first sign of danger. Facilitation simplifies tasks for correct performance. A pre-filled syringe ensures correct dosage. Understanding these methods helps achieve optimal error-proofing. Section 4, Reaping the Rewards, the benefits of Poka-Yoke. Implementing Poka-Yoke transforms work and life by reducing errors and enhancing quality. It streamlines processes, saving time and resources. Poka-Yoke prevents accidents and injuries, crucial for safety. It enhances user satisfaction and reduces frustration. Error reduction leads to cost savings and profitability. Embrace Poka-Yoke to unlock improvement possibilities. Section 5, your guide to implementation: 3 steps to mistake-proofing. Ready to harness the power of Poka-Yoke? Here's a simple 3-step framework to get you started. Begin by pinpointing the specific error or defect you want to address. Clearly define the problem and its impact. Next, dive deep to understand the underlying reasons for the error. Use tools like the 5 whys technique to uncover the root cause. Finally, select the most appropriate Poka-Yoke method: prevention, detection, or facilitation. And devise a creative solution that either eliminates the possibility of the error, detects it immediately, or makes it easier to perform the task correctly. Remember, the key is to keep the solution simple, practical, and cost-effective. Section 6. Join the conversation. Share your Poka-Yoke examples. Poka-Yoke is everywhere, often hiding in plain sight. Now that you're familiar with this powerful concept, we invite you to share your own examples of Poka-Yoke in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and discover new ways to make our world a more error-proof place.